Cleaning your Daikin Nexura split system filter is easy. It takes less than 5 minutes, and all you need is lukewarm water. The first step is to turn your unit off using your controller. Once the louvers are closed, open the front panel by unlocking it on either side of the unit. When open, unhook the securing strings carefully from the front grille. Now the air filters are accessible, remove the upper air filters first by pulling them down gently. Then remove the lower air filters by gently pulling them up. Next, remove the deodorizing air purification filters from the lower filter panels by unhooking them from the claws. Be sure to keep them in their frames. Now clean all the filters in lukewarm water and air dry in the shade away from direct sunlight. If the dirt and dust is heavy, wash thoroughly. The air purifying filters can be soaked for 10 to 15 minutes to remove dirt. Be sure not to wring out the filters to remove water. For good cleaning measure, you can go over them with a duster or vacuum cleaner to remove any leftover dirt. Now that the filters are clean, reattach each one, starting with attaching the air purifying filters to the lower filters and then sliding them into place, followed by the upper filters. Carefully hook the securing strings back onto the front grille and then close the front panel. Be sure to lock the front panel into place on either side of the unit by sliding the locks down. Now you're ready to use your Daikin split system. Remember to clean your filters regularly, as poorly maintained filters affect the unit's energy efficiency. At Daikin, we recommend you clean your filters at least once every season so you can enjoy the best air anywhere.